Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angel.
Hi dreamers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yuma Dream. If you're new to the channel, please click that subscribe button to join the family and that notification bell for you to get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for coming back and telling me. So as you saw by the title of this video, we are doing the hair installation. And yes, you guys, this is the hair that I'm going to be reviewing and installing today. I really love this hair. This hair is from RPGSHOW. They were so kind enough to send me their beautiful wig. As you guys know them, I've been working with RPGSHOW for like 3 years now, because guys got 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. So I really trust their wig and I love their wig and I recommend them to you guys. If you're a beginner and ufunama wig angana, you know, like a lot of maintenance, and yeah, they are glueless wigs. If you want to put glue, you can. I always use the glue because ngifuna install ihlale guys, ngifuna ihlale be yinhle. One thing I also love about their wigs is that they bleach their knots. Guys, bayawa bleach haga ama knots, and that's what I love. So I'm gonna open this and show you guys what's inside. I got the wig cap, and the magazine, yes guys, and I also got the belt. You guys will get to see it when I install the hair. And then I got this beautiful bag, and to keep a corner a wig yami, you know, after installing this wig when I want to keep it. I really love this hair. So this is the 16-inch. The color is black and highlighted, as you guys can see. I really love that, and it is a silky straight. The quality of the hair, the quality is quality. Yeah guys, if you would like to see me install this hair, keep on watching.
And you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. See my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see the eye? See you see me, I'm a one shot, could you keep me? And now I'm better, I'm better. No longer what I used to be better, better. It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. It's making me stronger, yeah, yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah. I'm good, 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 I'm good.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Nangibona guys ukuthi ngimuhle kanjani. Niyangibona ukuthi ngimuhle kanjani. Okay, so I really love this hair, and guys, the installation was so easy and quick. Nangibona ngisho guys angisimuhle. Ngiyazifila. Angisemhle, angisababi. Yes guys, ngishayile ke le install. So thank you guys so much for watching, and also thank you RPG Show for sponsoring today's video. Guys, bye.